How to set photo in charging screen. So if you want to set photo in charging screen, then you don't have that option on your Android or your iPhone. But what you need to do is just simply install an application. So go with your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. Under search, you need to go with battery charging photo. And once you search for battery charging photo, then here you will have the application, right? So you just need to simply go and install the application. So tap on install and it will be installed. Once you install the application, now you will be able to add a photo. Once you've added the photo, you will be able to see the battery status on that photo. You will be able to adjust the wave amplitude and then the wavelength and wave speed. You can save your created photo and set as battery indicator screen anytime. So this is the only way to set your photo in charging screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.